In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery of your key remote on your 2003 to 2006 Infiniti G35. Let's go ahead and get started. So that's the remote. We can either use a flathead screwdriver or your house keys to open up the remote. Now, I'm going to show you the process of both of them. So first, let's get the screwdriver, and the way you open up the remote now is you wedge the screwdriver in there and press down on it, right? So that's how you pry the remote open, just like that. Yep, the remote is open now. See that? Now let's just close it up, and then I'll show you again with the house keys. So get your key, get this thinnest key, right? Put the key in there and twist it. So try like twisting or turning the key, and it'll open up the remote again. There it is. That's the battery. Again, you can use your screwdriver or your key to pop the battery out, and out it comes. Let's take a look at the battery itself. It's a 2032 battery. The recommendation is to put 2025, but if you can put 2032 like I'm able to over here, just put 2032 because it has more capacity. It has a longer battery life as compared to 2025. So when you put the battery back in, we have to make sure that the plus or the positive side is facing downwards. So get the replacement battery. Make sure that the sign that says plus positive is facing downwards. Press it in there. Just look at the battery and press it down. It's locked in place. Now we can close up the remote. So align the two sides and just press them together. Like that. Let's go try it out. See if it works. And that looks good, right? See how easy that was? That's pretty much it.